Hello. So I'm going to show you how to create an AWS account for free, so that when you start working on your own AWS certification, you're going to have the account and console and everything already set up. So I just Googled AWS create account, and it showed up with a snippet that has instructions. I click on that link. And this goes in more in depth in regards to the instructions on how to create and activate your AWS account. Go ahead and give you a heads up. You're going to need a credit card or debit card or prepaid card. You're going to need some sort of card to create this account. It's not charged if you choose a free tier, which is what I do, but you do need to have some sort of payment method. So the instructions go in more in depth, but basically you create the account, add a payment method, verify your phone number, choose an AWS support plan, free, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to start with Amazon Web Services homepage. And we're going to do the free tier. Create a free account. And we're going to create an account. So I've done this a couple of times. One for actual training, another one was a fictitious one. So I need to think of another email that I use somewhat. Okay, let's try this one. And you need a password, of course. Let's see if this works. Okay. A professional or personal account. I do professional because I'm doing it as part trying to build our curriculum with Hawking College to incorporate AWS. So I use it for educational institutions, so I keep it professional. So let's see. A lot of this stuff, just the pre-filled, the way my browser is set up, but you just fill in with the information relevant to you. Now here is where you're going to need to provide the payment method. I use a prepaid card that I get from Marshall University for teaching with them. I sometimes am a little hesitant and using actually my bank, my all my bills get paid out of bank account. I'm not so much worried about my prepaid because it has less money in it, but just kind of do whatever you feel comfortable with. I'll go ahead and pause this because it will actually display the account number on here. So, okay, so, okay. Am I still running? Yes. Okay. So I got my account number and my credit card account number in there. It's not going to be charged, unless I do something that creates a charge, but I just need it in there. Confirm my identity. So there's my phone number. I need to do this stupid thing. F3PFBY. I get a text message. Oh, no, I get a phone call. So it's not a text message, it's a phone call.
Services. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen. We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon Web.
Okay, so I don't know if you heard that or not, but basically you just need to verify the 4-digit code to get on there. Continue. Free basic support plan or basic plan. Let's see. So personalize your experience. My role is academic, interested in I'm not sure. What do I want to put on here? Websites. Okay. Submit. Thank you. So then this AWS website, there's a lot of information in there. So that's great. That's wonderful because it's full of resources. That means you also get to navigate through all those wonderful resources, and that sometimes can be a little bit on the tricky side. Um, but you'll figure once you start playing through it, it's not quite so bad. There are a lot of tutorials, and it's just kind of a place to get your hands dirty as you are going through the education tutorials. Like these are like practice tutorials. Then there's the modules, is probably the correct word for it. The training modules, which I will admit are not always the most fun experience. But you got to do it. There is some good information, and there is good information, and just like sometimes the delivery is like, oh my gosh. But so get your hands dirty with try some of these things. But that's how you create an AWS account. So let me know if you have any questions.